Tastes good then.
Today, I hope you guys are doing good. Today we are going to be making banana ice cream.
If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please subscribe, put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a video.
Yes, guys. And to make sure you did that, let's do 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Make sure you subscribe or we will be sad. Or do you want that?
No. Okay, guys. We already have all our ingredients that we're going to be using.
Yeah.
I have banana. I just cut the banana and froze it a little bit.
That's why
okay.
It's like tilted to the side.
Yeah. Then I have my condensed milk. Then I have my heavy whoopie cream.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I have my vanilla. Okay. I'm gonna be having just a little drop of vanilla just for flavor. Okay.
And blender.
I have my bowl.
And she froze it.
I put it inside the freezer so I like to cool for a little minute. Then what are we gonna do, Abigail? First of all, we're gonna blend the banana, okay?
Can I blend it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let me pour it there. Are they seeing it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna pour in the frozen banana. Put it there. Now you have to stay.
Smells amazing.
Then you blend.
Yeah. This day has been on the swan again. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this day. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but now so the storyline will be. My brother know they do the talk.
I want it to be very, very smooth. Look at that. It's very smooth. Now, all we just have to do, we're going to put this aside.
And now we're going to blend.
You can keep this on the way. Now we're going to go ahead with the heavy cream. Okay, you want to open the heavy cream?
Yes. Time to open the heavy cream.
Oh. It's on. You can open it.
Oh, you did that. Okay, can you guys see?
Yeah. It's pour it in there.
And guys, it's like slushy because we froze this.
Yeah, I kept it in the freezer a little bit further.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. See today I they driving my car on they just they shout. I hope I full level the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be deep.
Looks like yogurt. Good thing. It looks like ice cream. Yummy in my tummy.
Then we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla.
A drop.
Yeah.
It's not a drop.
Okay. Yeah. Hold on. We're gonna on it and we're just gonna whoop this.
There you go.
Yeah.
Great.
It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who go make up for this life. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people there for just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere but now so the storyline is me. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my slippers, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today, I dey drive in my phantom, they just they shout. I hope I full level the people begin just to scream.
So now I'm just gonna have you condense me. How you keep doing that?
JSP from Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh, see friends, oh. People when no like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
I'm gonna add in the banana. Add a lot of ice cream.
Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who go make up for this life. Now those people they for just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people they for just they call their friends. I thank yeah. wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this info. Now those people never just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go
okay,
make up
guys,
for
we
life.
have a popsicle makeup. Oh, we're gonna pour some in here and freeze the rest, okay? I'm just gonna take.
My brother know they do the talk. Only one see the answer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so the matter. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly passy don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again.
We already made this one. I'm gonna pour the rest in here. Check a little bit so I can see.
Look at the color of the rainbow. Except there's no yellow.
I'm gonna pour the rest inside here.
You love ice cream.
Give me the spatula.
Spatula. Spatula.
Hold on.
For a long time we have cups like this. And we usually put cups and then. But we find
Bring the cover.
cover.
Ice cream. Now, all we just have to do, we're just gonna put it inside the freezer and let it freeze. Then maybe we're gonna show you guys the end result, okay? Thumbnail. Let's do thumbnail first. And popsicle ice cream. Don't turn it, you know, pour it now. Okay, let's go put it in the freezer, okay? We'll see you guys when it's ready. Okay guys, our ice cream is ready. Our banana ice cream is ready. And we'll still have to bring the popsicle. We just our ice cream and the popsicle is ready. We're just gonna try. This is the ice cream. Let's try the. Let me scoop the scooping one. Bring a little spoon. Let's try it. Bring a spoon. Okay. We're just going to face the camera. Tastes good then. And this is the popsicle. I think I can't get it right now. It's not coming, but after we're going to take it out. How's it, guys? Thank you so much, everyone, for making ice cream with us. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, okay? I love you guys. Let's go and enjoy our
banana ice cream.
Just so good. Bye, guys.
Bye.